So what I said that ख्वाजा कुतुबुद्दीन बख्तियार काकी के नाम पर। अभी हमने जो देखा था लास्ट जो गवर्नर था इसका नाम था इख्तियार उद्दीन मोहम्मद बिन, नाम बड़ा है, मोहम्मद बिन बख्तियार खिलजी। अंडरस्टूड? और ये क्या है? ख्वाजा कुतुबुद्दीन बख्तियार काकी। Understood? And then he died of a horse fall at Lahore while playing chaugan or polo, and Tux only. And who has introduced? यही लोग Tux थे. Who introduced polo? Man. Tux introduced polo in India and built the first mosque in India. What is the first mosque in India? Qutul Islam. It is the first mosque in India. It has been made by Qutubuddin Aibak. And then ढाई दिन का झोपड़ा, it has been made by him. Understood? Is it clear? And Qutub Minar has been. So these are the three important architectures. Understood? As I said that he was a great patron of learning and patronized writers. Which are the writers patronized? Hasan Nizami, Tajul Masih, and another writer is Fakhruddin, who has written Tarikh-e-Mubarak Sahib. Understood? So next one that I said that when he died, वहां पे क्या थे? There the peoples are there. There is a nobles are there. Some amirs are there. Those who are supposed to be the courtiers, and they decided Aram Shah should be the ruler. And now Aram Shah को बनाया गया. When the Qutubuddin Aibak died, and all of a sudden at Lahore, the amirs and the maliks of the Lahore put Aram Shah on the throne, and some texts say that he was son of Aibak, while others deny so also. He was a weak and worthless young man, and he was rejected by the people. He was rejected by the people of, और उसी समय बदायूं, just यूपी में just दिल्ली के पास ही बदायूं है, before बदायूं. What I said that? And यहाँ पे कौन थे? Iltutmish, and he was the son-in-law of Qutubuddin. He was the son-in-law of Qutubuddin. Understood? So he was a governor of Badaयूं at the time and gifted him, किसको? Aram Shah को, and then acquired the throne. And then Shamsuddin Iltutmish was the son-in-law of Aibak. He considered the greatest of the slave kings and the real consolidator of Turkish conquest in India. तो Turkish conquest को यदि किसी ने consolidate किया तो who has done? Iltutmish. Who has done? Iltutmish. Understood? And then इसने क्या किया? That ध्यान से देखेंगे. I said that first consolidate करना था थोड़ा सा Rajputas. You know that Rajputas are trying to create some problem. तो हम लोग को if you see that Ajmer, क्या हमने देखा? If you can be able to see in the map of India, there is an Ajmer, then there is an Ranthambore, Ajmer, Ranthambore, Gwalior, Malwa, and yes, which are the region I said that? Ajmer, Ranthambore, Rajasthan, and in the MP, Gwalior, and then Malwa, and then some Mewar region के सारे region को, and then Jalore and all ये सारे region को क्या किया इन्होंने? मालवा, जैलोर, ये सारे रीजन के राजपूत हाउस को डिफीट किया. किसने किया? Who has done? Who has done? Iltutmish. I said that he sent an expedition to against them, and which are the he suppressed the revolts of ambitious nobles. जितने भी nobles थे आराम शाह के बाद, yes or not? Aram Shah has been killed and defeated, and then he acquired this power, and then I said that he got his authority. So he ambitious nobles and sent expedition against the Rajputs in the Ajmer, Ranthambore, Gwalior, नीचे Malwa, and this side is Jalore. ऐसे याद हो गया आपको? Yes, Ajmer से आप आएंगे तो what is there? Ranthambore. Yes, and thereafter I said that Gwalior and Malwa and Jalore. He has been defeated this one and then become the powerful, and he got his authority, Sultanate of Delhi, recognized by the Caliph of Baghdad as a member of the World Fraternity of Islamic States. Now he become Delhi Sultan. Which are the region I said that? Ajmer, Ranthambore, Gwalior, Malwa, Jalore. Able to locate? Understood it? Clear? Now, I said that Iltutmish. समझ में आ चुका है? इल्तुतमिश ने पावर ले लिया. He become the Delhi Sultan. And now he has made in a Turkane, Chahalgani और Chalisa. Turkane, Chahalgani और Chalisa. It means a group of powerful Turkish nobles. Powerful Turkish nobles. And how many nobles are there? Just tell me. 40. How many? 40 nobles are there. And what he did that जब इतने सारे 40 nobles आ जाएंगे तो इसका मतलब क्या है? Just tell me. 40 nobles का मतलब क्या है? Tell me. You will have to what? Making the unity. You have to make. And unity को हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं? क्या बोलते हैं? क्या बोलते हैं? What we used to say? आपके पास इल्म है, knowledge. Ilm is knowledge. And you have making Chalisa, noble group of 40. Now, if you want to move ahead, you should have Ekta. Yes or not? So what I said that Ekta concept came, he has given the land to his officials. He has given the land to his officials. Understood? And officials have the, what is in a land? Instead of giving them salary, and in the land, whatever the revenue that you are getting, you have to survive this yourself and also maintain the army and all, and the rest give it to the treasury of Sultan. Understood? Clear? This is known as Ikta, Iktadars. Those who has been given, those officers who has been given, it is known as Iktadar. Firoz Shah Tughlaq, listen me carefully. Who? Firoz Shah Tughlaq has made it hereditary. What he made it? This Iktadari system को इसने क्या कर दिया था? Hereditary. Already Tughlaq empire was going in loss, ना? He want to have a faith. वो चाहते थे कि लोग मुझ पर faith करें. He was going in the loss, and therefore he made this थोड़ा सा क्या बनाने के लिए? He tried to make the faith on their dynasty, and the Sultan they have given Ikta to make it what? बहुत है. फिरोज शाह तुगलक बहुत लिबरल हुआ था. He has become very much liberal after Muhammad bin Tughlaq, because the Muhammad bin Tughlaq has made this empire to be completely treasure में no penny was there. This is the situation. No penny was there in the treasury. In such situation thereafter Firoz Shah Tughlaq came. I said, so this is the reason behind then the Firoz Shah Tughlaq had made the Iqtadari to be hereditary. So again हमने देखा इल्तुतमिश के लिए. इल्तुतमिश ने क्या किया था? He was the son-in-law of Qutbuddin Aibak. After removing the Aram Shah, he has taken the throne, and then first he has moved his expedition toward the Rajputas, those who are moving against. And then which are the Rajputas? I said that Ajmer, Ranthambore, Gwalior, Malwa, Jalore, Mewar side of. And thereafter he has also done, I said that he made a Chalisa, Turkane, Chahalgani, group of 40 nobles. Understood? And these are the Turkish nobles. And उसके बाद Ikta system he brought. Yes? अब आपके पास power आ गया. 40 लोग हैं. Ikta you have. Yes or not? Can you have money? आपके पास सब money आएगा तो क्या है? Money कैसे आएगा? कैसे आएगा? यहाँ से वहाँ चले गए तो मनी आएगा तो क्या बजाओगे? डंका बजाओगे. क्या है? डंका बजाओगे, जीत लोगे. And then you will make several win. If you have a week, if you have a lots of what is an ekta in your family, in your life, and anywhere, and he has a Chalisa, and then they are give the currency to their people, they did not have the lack of money, तो आप लिए fight करेंगे. तो आप everyone you will win, everywhere you will win. और कैसे जीतोगे? Win का मतलब जीतना, डंका बजा के. So he has given 2 coins, Jital and Tanka. Which are the 2 coins he has given? Which are the 2 coins? And then I said that 2 coins are there, Tanka, and then I said that Jital. And Jital is made up of silver, and Tanka is made up of copper. Huh? Tanka silver का ही है. कोई बात नहीं, होता है बड़े बड़े शहरों में. So I said, हमने क्या बोला? तो डंका बजाकर आप जीते. And the डंका is made up of सिल्वर एंड जीतल इज मेड अप ऑफ, क्या मैंने उल्टा बोला था? चलो कोई बात नहीं, हाँ जीतल पीतल. So is it clear? Yes. And thereafter we are going to see, I said that some of the, and if you remember that, आप लोगों को याद हो कि अपने सन के डेथ की वजह से he has made one सुल्तान गढ़ी. Do you remember? Yes or not? Sultan Gadi in the art and culture I have there. Iltutmish has made what? Sultan Gadi. And at the same time, Iltutmish has completed Qutub Minar. Has completed. And what is the floor? How many floors it has when he has completed? 4 floors. How many stories? 4 stories. Initial label पे I said that how many stories? अच्छा मैंने फिरोज शाह तुगलक के बारे में बात किया था. What I have discussed? Made इक्तादारी to be hereditary. अब दोबारा मैं बोलने जा रहा हूं. अभी इल्तुतमिश से another I said that during Firoz Shah Tughlaq this 4th floor of Qutub Minar has been destroyed due to lightning, thundering. Then Firoz Shah Tughlaq has added 2 more. तो कुतुब मीनार से कौन कौन एडेड है? कुतुबुद्दीन ऐबक, सेकंड इल्तुतमिश who has completed, then Firoz Shah Tughlaq. And Firoz Shah Tughlaq completed it. In which form? After the breakage. Means repaired. Iltutmish has completed, but who has been again after the breaking? Who has done this? Firoz Shah Tughlaq. And how many minars he has added? How many story? 2 more. Now it is at present कितना है वहां पर? 5. Understood? So I said that, now patronized मीना कुमारी थोड़ी सी क्या थी, उनका इल्म अच्छा नहीं था, तो मीना कुमारी का सिर को क्या कर दिया? टपका दिया. समझ में आता है? टपकाना समझते हो? उड़ा दिया. हाँ. So I said that Minhaj ul Siraz is the author of Tabqat-e Nasri. Can you remember Minhaj ul Siraz? Meena Kumari is one of the, what is her name? Famous actress. तो मीना कुमारी का सिर को क्या कर दिया गया? टपका दिया गया. क्यों टपकाया गया? इल्म कम था, ड्रंकर्ड ज्यादा थी. Yes or not? She should know that she is the what? Wealth of India. She is the human capital of India. Yes or not? तो ह्यूमन कैपिटल बर्बाद नहीं होना चाहिए. तो ड्रंक करके इसलिए बोलते बर्बाद ही होना, तो अच्छे से बर्बाद हो जाओ. टपका दिया. So I said that another, he is called the father of Tom. He is also considered as a father of, and he built what? Sultan in Delhi. As his successor declared Razia, and जैसे वो मर रहे थे, then he declared that Razia should be, his daughter should be the what? His 2 sons. And who is this 2 one? I said that one Razia Sultan, another is Behram Shah. Understood? कौन थे? Understood? So he was thinking that is and I said that जिनका वो थोड़ा सा इंपॉर्टेंस दे रहे थे, किसका? रजिया एंड बहरम. लेकिन इससे पहले इनका बड़ा बेटा था रुकनुद्दीन फिरोज. क्या? तो ही वॉज फेवरिंग रजिया. बहरम शाह इज ऑल्सो देयर, बट द रुकनुद्दीन फिरोज आफ्टर हिज डेथ, रुकनुद्दीन फिरोज को बना दिया गया. किसको बना दिया गया? एंड ही वॉज utterly incompetent. He was what? And वो क्या करता था? दिल्ली में towards चांदनी चौक, moving on the elephant and all, and then throwing some gold coins. Yes. हाँ, और क्या इधर उधर घूमते रहता था, और क्या ऐसे ही throwing the coins and all. मतलब उस समय चांदनी चौक नहीं कहा जाता था, मतलब मैं ऐसे ही कर रहा हूँ, घूम रहा था दिल्ली में, and then I see in the market that throwing the coins. Understood? This kind of person. But his mother was, actually the empire was running by his mother Turkan Shah. What is the name of mother? And Turkan Shah was a lady, and he was taking the revenge. Being an indirect emperor, she was taking what is a revenge? Those who has done wrong with the Turkan Shah in his early life, उन सभी को मरवा रहे थे. Slowly and slowly, the first people are not happy. Delhi people are not happy that he is not doing the run the empire, and then other nobles get angry, and दोनों को kill. Both are killed. So who has been killed? Ruknuddin Firoz and his mother Turkan Shah. Understood? And after that they made chalo hum log Rajia, that they are not the Muslims can never accept the Rajia to be, I said that a girl should be what? Sultan. क्योंकि उनके आमने सामने आके क्या करना पड़ेगा? So that's what I said, that they cannot do, they can't do. लेकिन इसीलिए उन्होंने रुकनुद्दीन फिरोज को बनाया था